us continue with the quarter. So we are talking about the characteristics of relevant and appropriate items of technology in imaging science or technology. So let's talk about the appropriateness. So what is appropriateness? The previous economist Schumacher was the first formally posted the notion or proposed the notion that our deal for appropriate technology is encapsulated in this book. Maybe the small is beautiful. 1973, in which he thinks that it should be a simple, small scale, low cost, non-violent. So, if preparing an item, it should be done appropriately. So British economist Schumacher proposed that making our items or related technology items must be simple, small scale, low cost, and non-violent. In order for us, not only for the audience or the learners to learn very effectively. So, the appropriateness of technology according to Schumacher's criteria is positively related to the degree of what Mishra and Fuller 2006. So, what referred to as transparency. So, look at transparency, gani ka na sa okay. Ito ka mo sa pag-alutang sa transparency. We have an idea what is transparency. Guys? Everyone? Everybody? Agility. I think you have an idea of what is transparency. Because we're self-conscious because we are now in the 20% requirement. What define what is transparency? So the extent to which the technology plays into the environment is such that it is not even considered technology anymore. So, when the refer to the transparency is that the technology that we are using is not considered technology anymore. So, kung baga, i-blend siya sa technology, blending in the environment. That's why it's again here that it's not even considered technology anymore. So, yeah. I think para siya kaya understand mo naman the context. So far, wala my comments but you. So let us proceed to the next slide. Direction that you have para transparent technology that can certainly be seen to meet Schumacher's criteria. So logically speaking, the greater the transparency and therefore appropriate test of educational technology and greater effectiveness so far as facilitating teaching and learning. So it is very important for us to know that making the items or so-called transparent technology, become mga items related and become involved technology, which is refer as transparent technology of private items. For example, my PowerPoint presentation, it should be simple, as I have stated earlier, that simple, that hindi siya kalitaw shaky or complicated to understand for the learners or the audience. So it should be simple and so on. In order for the facilitating teaching and learning to be effective. So, good. Any questions so far? Okay. Okay, now, so let's proceed to the next report.